Hello everyone, welcome back to AI with Anamika Yadav. In the last video, we learned how to make decision in Python using if, elif, and else. But what if you want to print the same things 100 times? Should we write 100 printful statement? Of course not. That's exactly why Python gives us loops. So, today we will understand what loops and learn the two most commonly used loop for loop and while loop. Let's start. What is loop? So, loop simply means repeating the same task multiple times. Think about real life. Imagine your teacher says write Python 10 times. Would you write the same statement manually 10 times? No. A loop does that repetitive work for us. Let's start with the for loop. A for loop is used when you already know how many times you want to repeat something. For example, here I already write the code using for loop. Okay, let's print this statement. So let's understand this line. Here, range 5 creates numbers from 0 to 4. So the loop runs 5 times. The variable I store the current number during the first iteration. Okay, so during the first iteration, I is equals to 0, and second iteration, I is equals to 1, then 2, 3, 4. Every time the loop runs, Python execute the indented line basically. So that's why hello Python is print 5 times. Okay, let's print number instead. Let's run this program. Now, so the output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, instead of printing text, Python prints the value of I every time. Let's talk about range. If you want number from 0 to 5, write. Notice that the last number is 6, but Python stopped before it. So remember, the ending number is never included. Let's talk about while loop. A while loop is used when you don't know exactly how many times a loop should run. It continues until a condition becomes false. For example, let's understand with the example. Count is equals to 1. Count is equals to count plus 1. Let's run this program. So output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand this carefully. First, count is equals to 1. We create a variable called count. Okay. Then Python check. Count is less than equals to 5. Is it true? Yes. So Python prints 1. Okay. Then count is equals to count plus 1. Now count become 2. Again the condition check is still 2. So Python prints 2. This continue until count becomes 6. Now 6 less than equals to 5 is false. The loop stop. Let's talk about difference between for and while. So when should you use each one? Use a for loop when you know the number of repetitions. Use a while loop when the repetition depend on the condition. That's it for today video. If the tutorial helped you understand Python loops, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the AI Anamika Yadav. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Happy coding. Thank you.